In this video, let us see how to download the Reddit videos using Python. So this video is only for the educational purpose only. I am not endorsing any illegal activities. To avoid the copyright claim, what I have done is I have taken up my own Reddit post over here. Consider I have posted a video in Reddit. So what I will do is I will show you how to download this post using Python. So actually in Reddit, they are defaultly giving the JSON results. You consider this is the URL, right? In this URL, if you take the .json, you consider it gives us the JSON result. Let me click on pretty print. Here you can see we have the JSON result in pretty print. So the URL that we are interested here is the fallback URL. You consider we have the fallback key here and this is the value. Let me copy this URL. And if you paste this URL in the new tab, let me open up a new tab and paste the URL over here. You can see we got this URL. So this is one method that is accessing the URL from the Reddit JSONs. You can say if you want to download this, you can download as well. Let us see how to download this programmatically as well. If you want to download this using Python, you can also do that. You consider I have my Python file over here. Let's import the libraries. I'm gonna import the request library. And then we need to define the URL. URL equal to, so we need to mention the URL. Let me go to the browser and this is the URL. Let me copy this URL and paste the URL over here. So make sure you prefix it with the .json and then we need to provide the headers. So actually the headers is very important. If you don't provide the headers, the Reddit platform will think you are making a request from your bot. So the header is very important. So I will provide the headers in the description. You can check that out. So let me copy and paste the headers here. So once we have set the headers, then we can get the response. Response equal to, we're gonna make a request to the URL and pass the headers as well. Finally, we can print the response. So print response.json. So let me run the Python script now. So Python main.py and you can see that we got all the JSONs over here. So from this JSON result, we need to extract only that URL that we are interested in. Actually, that URL is present inside there. So let's consider this is the URL, right? And this URL has a key called the fallback URL, which is present inside the Reddit video, which is present inside the secure media. So which is present inside the data column and that the data column is present inside the children and the children is present inside the again data. So you consider this is nested JSON. So we'll have to go one level by one level. So let us see how to do that. So let me remove this print statement. Actually, we can call the JSON in this call over here. Then we can get the output URL. So output URL equal to, this will be response of, actually we're gonna get the first index, so response of 0 and then we're gonna go to the data. So inside the data we have the children. Let me go to the browser. You consider this is the children that we have currently now. So inside the children also we have the data key. So we need to select the first value, that is the 0th index, and in the 0th index we have the data as usual. So let's go inside the data as well. So this is data and inside the data what we have is the secure media. So inside the secure media we have the Reddit video and inside the Reddit video we have the fallback URL. You can say inside this data what we have is we have the secure media and inside the secure media we have the Reddit video and inside the Reddit video we have the fallback URL. So this is the URL that we are interested in. So actually we can print the output to check that the URL is correct. Let me print the output URL and let me run the Python script and you can see that it gave us the URL correctly. So let me copy this URL and paste this in the new tab to check if it is working properly or not. Let me copy this and let me open the browser and let me go to new tab and type the URL over here. You can see it works perfectly fine. So then we need to download this. That's it. So what I will do is I will remove this print statement. So we can say video equal to, we can easily get the video content. So video equal to request.get. So we're gonna send a get reverse to the output URL. Then I'm gonna open a file and save all the video content and that's it. And finally I'm gonna print a message like video downloaded successfully as output.mp4. Let me run the Python script. Currently consider I don't have any file. Let me run the Python script to show you that video has been successfully downloaded message. You can see a video downloaded successfully and we got the output.mp4 file as well. So this is the video that I have posted, right? And I have successfully downloaded it. So this is one way. And if you don't follow this hextick procedure, there is another library as well. I don't want to say this library's name, otherwise YouTube may restrict my video. So this is the library. So if you want to install this, copy the pip command. So let me open up the command from now and paste the pip command over here and press enter. So I have already installed it. You can see that it says requirement already satisfied. Once the library has been installed successfully, then we can go with the second method. Actually, the second method is very easy. You don't have to do anything. You just have to copy the Reddit post URL directly without the JSON. So import that library name, then we can directly type the URL over here. Consider this is the URL that I have directly typed without the .json. So I'm gonna say the options is currently this options is empty. Then we can call the YouTube DL method, and finally we can download it. So I'm basically saying this oversimplifying because I don't want to go in depth into this Python package because YouTube may restrict my video. So let me run the Python script. You can see that it starts downloading. So actually this method is very easy compared with the first method. You can see it has successfully downloaded it, and we got the output file as well. If you can see, we got this output file along with the title. So yeah, this is how you download your Reddit videos using Python. So this is for this video, and I will continue in the next one.